One sunny afternoon, Biko, the buffalo, will play on the grass. He will become distracted and will chase a butterfly. After a long time, he will find himself far from his family. He will realize that he is lost. Biko will begin to worry. Poor Biko! Layla will be sitting in a tall tree when she will see Biko crying. "I'm lost, Layla," Biko will cry. "I can't remember how to get back. I have a bad memory." His big tears will fall to the ground. "How sad!" "You don't have a bad memory," Layla will say. "You just don't pay attention. Let's try and remember the way back." First, Layla will ask Biko about the river he crossed. "Yes," Biko will say as he remembers. "It was very hot, so I drank some water and took a swim in the river to cool down." Together, they will start walking back, and they will find the river. "Did you pass any special trees?" Layla will ask. "Mangoes," Biko will shout as he remembers the big mango tree. "I love mangoes," Biko will say as they spot the mango tree from afar. One by one, Layla will help Biko remember. The green hill that looks like a sleeping hippopotamus. The field of tall yellow grass where the zebras like to hide. And the red mountain where the eagles fly high in the sky. Each memory will bring them closer to Biko's herd. Then, as the sun will begin to set, Biko will look up and see his family. He will jump with joy. "Thank you, Layla. You helped me remember the way back home," he will say. That day, Biko will learn a valuable lesson. A good memory starts with paying attention. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com